Hi everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back. I have you way up in the air and I have a tray in front of me because I got dust on it because I sat it on the floorboard of the car. This is the companion bundle for the July bargain bee box. I don't know if I'm going to make anything. I am tired. I had to get up early this morning, take my shower, make sure my hair was completely, totally dry. Because I had a MRI and an ultrasound of my neck and stuff this morning. So, and I was up sick all night. I was sick all day yesterday. And of course I'm going to cough. I'm sorry. Alright, so very first thing, my sweet friend Lisa sent me a card. I got it in the mail. I finally made it to the P.O. box. I still am very uncomfortable to drive. Because my car's not in my name. It's in Alan's name. It's in his insurance. My mouth is so dry. I may have to go get a drink. I mean, like cotton dry. But it is beautiful. Thank you, Lisa. I think the little doggies are so sweet. I was so taken back by getting the sweet card. Thank you, Lisa. I really appreciate it. Let me go get a drink. I'll be right back. Guys, you are not going to believe this. I unboxed this entire thing and forgot to hit record. So, I don't know if I showed you the card from Lisa. So, if I didn't, Lisa, thank you so much for the beautiful card. And sometimes, yes, a hug is the only thing you need or the only thing you need to say. I was so surprised to get the card in the mail today. I really, really appreciate that card. And it just, I don't always get a chance to go and check my mail, and I really don't feel comfortable with driving at the moment. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm trying to think of the best way to do my unboxing because everything's already in the tray now, the packaging. So I guess the best way to do this is just say, here it is. Okay, so because I do this, we have matte kiwi jasper round beads. These are stunning. I absolutely love them. Now I've got all these behind me that are going to like throw off the camera. Look at the colors. They're really, really beautiful. I went to look and see how long the video was, and I was like, are you kidding me? And look at these. These are beautiful. So these are actually 8mm matte feldspar round beads, 7¼ inch strand. They're really pretty. Let me put them on a white dish. Very pretty. I love the color of them. They kind of remind me of butterscotch with fudge swirls. Yeah, the whole ice cream thing is kind of going there. And these are stunning also. So these are 8 by 6mm. Look at that color. Crystal faceted roundel beads in light mint. I love that color. It's very, very pretty. I hope my camera is focusing. I have a lot of problems with this stupid camera autofocusing. You know what, we'll just leave the paper off. I don't know, guys. So this is the 8x6 faceted rondelle beads in light lilac, one of my favorite colors. And so many of these beads go well together, very well put together. So here we have Malaysia Jade 4mm crystal faceted beads. Very pretty. And then in here, I kind of have two things in here. I'm sorry, guys. We got these. I'm not going to pull them all out. These are what they call the scoop beads. They're the little flower beads. These are in, I think they're calling it peach and mint. I don't see mint. It kind of looks blue, but it's pretty. We got them in our box. Also, I got two, and they're in here to keep them away from the other metals. We have two of the hypoallergenic stainless steel magnetic clasps, which is plain round ones, which is really nice to have. Over here we have a variety of things. And I'll also go ahead and show you my free gift. And I'm sure if you've had Bargain Bead Box before, you've watched unboxings. These are the ginkgo leaf beads. These were my free gift. Very pretty. And then we have two of the charms, the ice cream. They're stainless steel. And then I have an ice cream cone pendant. It's also stainless steel. And I'm going to have to pull this up so I can read it. So we have 4 pieces of fire crackle. If I can get them up out of there, because they're all different, so you guys see them all. So they're fire crackle agate dyed and heated barrel beads. This one here is all white with that glow. I don't know if you can see the glow underneath it. Then we have one that's got a little peekaboo hole. Very pretty. We have this one here. Very unique. And I love this one right here. That is so pretty. And then we have, and I dropped the paper to this one. This is 7 1/4 inch strand of pink quartz. Don't know why I'm stumbling over my words. Rose quartz, and they are, I think they're 7.5 by 4 millimeters, give or take. And aren't they beautiful? I love those, and they are faceted. And then we have something we haven't gotten before. These are, well, we've gotten it, but not in this color. And they are the 4 by 3 millimeter crystal faceted matte beads in butterscotch. Isn't that pretty? I love that color. And then we have rose quartz again. This was a 15-inch strand, and they are the 3 millimeter, correct? 4 millimeters, sorry, goodness. 4 millimeter faceted. Aren't they beautiful? The shine on those are amazing. And we've had these before. They are, let me get my paper where I can read it. A 6 to 7 millimeter frosted white agate, round beads, and it's a 14.5-inch strand. I have some still left over, so I have plenty to work with. And then these are absolutely stunning. There are 10 of them, and they are the swirl. I didn't put the paper in with them yet. And of course, it'll be the last one I pick up. Floral cup bead, fluted flower bead cap. Are you kidding me? Did I actually throw this one away? Fancy swirl links is what they're called. Aren't they gorgeous? They're going to make some amazing pieces of jewelry. And then there's 10 pieces of these. They are we've gotten these in ours. They're the fluted flower, nope. These are the floral cup bead caps. I love these. They're very pretty. We got them in our bead box this month. And these are the floral fluted bead caps. They're very large, which is great if you want to make some bead caps and make some dangly earrings or make like fringes. Really pretty. Use them for multi-chain. And then there's 20 of these bead caps. Got a couple there together. We'll pull them apart later. I'm not going to put them all back up here, guys. So there are 20 of the 7, oh, those are lantern spacer beads. 7 by 10 millimeter bead cap cones. They're really pretty. Again, ice cream cones. Whoops, I had one standing up earlier. Now that I'm going to try to do it twice, it won't happen. Very pretty. I love the design on those. And then we have, and again, I won't pull them all out, 20 of the lantern spacer beads. Very, very pretty. Absolutely love those. They have so much interest to your project. But the one thing that I really wanted out of all of this is this beautiful pendant. So this, all it says is it's a rose quartz faceted pendant. It doesn't say the size, but look at this pendant, guys. You have the clear crystal at the top. You've got this beautiful top of the pendant. All this beautiful filigree. And then you have the crystal point. Very gorgeous. That right there is one stunning piece. I probably won't even sell this. It'll probably be forever mine. We'll see. I'm sorry I kind of goofed up and forgot to start filming. I went out and got myself a bottle of water and it kind of threw me off. I'm so sorry about that. But things happen. I forgot to double check. Let me get a sip. So here is the Ice Cream Shop Companion Bundle. It is valued at $84.30, and there was 20 pieces in this, plus my free gift for ordering from Beatbox Bargains. So I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me, because I am just plumb worn out. It's been a long couple of days. I really want to make something, but I don't want to rush through it, and I don't want to just do just a, I really love these. But I want to take time and plan and make something really pretty, guys. I don't want to just say, oh, here it is. Here's what we made while we opened our box. I want to make something special. Oops, I dropped some beads in there, didn't I? And I don't want to make something I've already done. So give me some time to play with my box. First, I'm going to go take a nap. I love these beads. So, my favorites is these, those, hands down, are my top 4 favorites. What's not to love? So guys, thank you for hanging out with me. I will be taking a screenshot of this because I won't pay to use the generator on Canva. So yeah, that ain't happening. So I'm going to go back to making my old-fashioned, whatever. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Love each and every one of you. And again, Lisa, thank you. Karen and Evelyn and Kathy. And I've got to start writing down names so I can remember who else commented. I got to go back and look at my last few videos. Thank you so much. And I'll talk to all of you guys down in the comments. Love you guys. Bye, everybody.